Morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. My name is Swati Sharma. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. And today's our topic is exercise 6.1 for class 9th maths. Okay, today we are going to solve exercise 9.1. Okay, let's solve. See, what is our question? Question is, in a figure, line AB and CD intersected at O. If sum of two angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 and BOD is equal to 40, find BOE and reflex angle. So first of all we have to write what is given. What is given? AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. What we have to find? We have to find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. Okay, up see, now as AB is a line, then whatever angle is there, AOC plus COE plus BOE is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Okay, हमें लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर because they are linear pair. Okay, linear axioms. But it is given angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Now angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70. Okay, so it become 180 minus 70, that is 110. So angle COE is equal to 110. Angle COE is equal to 110 degree. Now we have to find BOE. Okay, now we have to find BOE. So reflex of COE is equal to, full angle is 360, then 360 minus 110, reflex of CE is equal to 250 degree. Okay, reflex angle means reflex of COE, that is 250 degree. Understand? Now what is BOE? If this is 40, then this is also 40. Okay, so AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 and AOC is equal to 40 because they are vertically opposite angle. BOD, because BOD is given, BOD is 40, and AOC because they are vertically opposite angle. Okay, understand? So AOC is equal to 40 plus BOE 40 plus, so 40 plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. So angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. Okay, that is 30 degree. Now let's read question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is, in a figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, find C. Okay, now C, common ratio is given. Let's take A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 दिया हुआ है, given है. So we can take A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Okay, and POY is equal to 90 degree, it's given already. Okay, then B plus A plus angle 9 POY is equal to 180. So it's become, first we find the value of x. Okay, so what is A? A is equal to 2x because it's linear pair. Okay, now A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Put the value. Okay, so 3x plus 2x plus 90 degree because POY is given, it is 90 degree. Angle POY is equal to 90 degree, it's given, it's already given. Okay, so we have put 90 degree is equal to 180, so it become 5x, 2x plus 3x, it become 5x plus 90, or 90 is transpose other side, so it become 5x is equal to 90 degree, 5x is equal to 90, so x is equal to 90 divided by 5, because 5 is in multiplication, so in other side it going to division. Okay, so your answer is 5 1 ja 5 and 5 8 ja x, value of x is 18. Now you can easily find a. What is a? A is 2x, then 2 into 18, that is 2 into 18. So value of a is 36 degree, 2 into 18. Okay, what is b? B is equal to 3x, so 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. Okay, now if you talk about line MN, then B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, B is equal to 54 plus C is equal to 180. Okay, so angle C is equal to 54 is transposed to here, so C is equal to 180 minus 54. Okay, minus 54, so it become C is equal to 180 minus 54 is, do it, 126 degree. So angle C is equal to, question number 3rd is in the figure PQR is equal to PRQ, then prove that PQR is equal to PRT. Okay, see, PQR means this angle is equal to angle Q is equal to angle R, and we have to show this external angle is equal, means angle SQP and equal to TRP. Okay, understand? So given क्या है हमें, PQR is equal to PRQ. So what we have to prove? We have to prove PQS is equal to angle PRT. Means external angle भी equal होंगे. If internal angle are equal, then external angle is also equal. So what is the proof? See, it is a line. First of all, think it's a line and it's a linear pair. Okay, so PQR plus PRS, PQS is equal to 180 because they are linear pair. Axiom linear pair axiom से ये दोनों क्या होंगे, because they are linear pair. Same, तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा linear pair axioms. Okay, now सेम आपको उसको दूसरी साइड भी लिखना है. पी आर, सो एंगल ये इट्स योर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. नाउ पी आर क्यू प्लस पी आर टी इज इक्वल टू 180. ओके, सो वी हैव टू डू, इट्स गिवन. What is given? PQR is equal to PRQ. So you have write PQR is equal to PRQ. Okay, write it. So PRQ is equal to, because it's given PRQ is equal to PQR, so we have write both are equal. So PQR, cancel PQR by PQR, then it is PQS is equal to PRT. It's a proven. Okay, So we have to prove PQS is equal to PRT. Okay. So read question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is figure 6.16. If x plus y plus is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So first of all we write what is given, what is proof. Okay. So write x plus y is equal to w plus z to prove AOB is a line. So x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree because line having a 360 degree angle, 180 in upper side and 180 in lower side. Okay, that is a complete angle. So it become a complete angle. Let's see, x plus y is equal to w plus z means they four angles made up a 360 degree angle. If it is proved, then it's a then we can say that AOB is a line. Okay, understand? So in this statement we have write x plus y plus x plus y. Okay, because it is given x plus y is equal to w plus z. Okay, so it's become 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. Okay, so what we do? So it's given x plus y is equal to w plus z. So we have write x plus y plus x plus y is equal to 360 degree. So it is 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. Let's let 2 as a common. Then it's our equation is become 2 into x plus y is equal to 360. Okay. Now x plus y is equal to 360 divided by 2 because 2 is in multiplication here, then opposite side it become a division. Okay, so our x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now see, if x plus y is equal to 180 degree, then it's a linear pair, or if it's linear pair, so it is a line. So if x plus y is equal to a 180, so AOB is a line. Read out question number 5. It is given OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ and हमें proof क्या करना है? We have to prove angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 QOS minus POS. Okay, ROS is equal to 1 by 2 PQOS minus POS. Understand? Now, for this proof, first of all we have to see the figure first. Okay, what is given? Given is OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. For this, what do you mean by perpendicular? Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, so let's see the figure and you think how to solve it. Okay, see, if we write POS and see, this is a line and these are two rays on the line. Okay, these are one ray and these are one ray. Okay, so if I told about QOS, so QOS minus, if I write ROS is equal to 90 degree because it's a 90 degree. Okay, now if we talk about full line, then we know that it's a linear pair. Okay, so if I write POS, if I see, if I write we have to find ROS. Okay, now here one term is I wrote ROS. Now POS plus ROS plus ROQ is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay, because of linear pair. And it's given, it is parallel, it is perpendicular. Okay, Now POS plus ROS is equal to POS plus ROS plus 90 degree, because it is given ROQ is 90 degree. So POS plus ROS is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. Okay, so POS plus ROS is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is our second question. Now from first and second both are 90, so we have equal both LHS part. Okay, so in this QoS from 1 and 2, we can write, because both are equal to 90, so it's both equal. QoS plus ROS is equal to POS plus ROS. Okay, then see here, let be POS ROS both having ROS term, so let ROS is transpose one side, and both the numbers QoS minus, because here it is plus, then it's going to another side, it become minus. Okay, so 2 ROS is equal to QoS, angle QoS minus angle POS. Okay, so ROS is equal to, angle ROS is equal to, ROS is equal to QoS minus angle POS, and ROS is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so it's proof. You can write hence proof. Read the question number 6. Okay, read out question number 6. It is given XYZ, angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree, and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from given information. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, and then find XYQ and reflex of XYP. Okay, so first of all, you draw the figure this type. Now see, all the angle on one line, one straight line. That means if first of all we write given that XYZ is equal to 64 degree, ZYP, that is ZYQ is equal to QYP, because they are bisector of full angle. Okay, so to find XYPQ and reflex of QYP, first we have what we do, ZYQ is equal to A, and if we take second one, both are A, because both are equal, because they are bisector of YQ is bisector of this angle. Now 64 plus A is equal to 180. We know that because they are linear pair. Angle on a straight line, or you can write they are linear pair. So 2A is equal to 180 minus 64. That means 116 degree. So A is equal to 58 degree. A is equal to 58 degree. Okay. Now we know what is the value of a, means z by q is a, that is 58, and always it is also 58. Okay, so we have to find x by q. X by q is 64 plus 58, then 64 plus a is equal to 58, that is 112. Okay, your answer is now we find q by p is equal to a. So reflex of q by p is okay 360 minus 58. So your answer is, so your exercise 6.1 is finished. I hope you have doing all the question in your notebook. Okay, have a good day.